Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court rejects KRK's plea to transfer defamation case filed against him by Manoj Bajpayee from Indore to Mumbai. Hardik Patel granted bail by Supreme Court in the 2015 Gujarat rioting and violence case. Issued summons were abuse of law, holds Supreme Court while quashing forgery and cheating case against former Punjab CM Prakash Singh Badal and his son. Supreme Court allows Ansal Brothers, convicted in Uphaar fire tragedy case, to file for desealing of Uphaar Cinema. Bar Council of Delhi presents final draft of the Delhi Advocates Protection Bill of 2023. Religious feelings and sentiments cannot be so fragile as to be hurt or provoked by speech of an individual, says Delhi High Court while quashing case against Raj Thackeray. Sooraj Pancholi, accused in the Jiah alleged abetment of suicide case, acquitted by special CBI court. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. A bench of Justices A.S. Bopanna and Dipankar Datta, while rejecting the plea of actor-producer Kamal R. Khan to transfer the case of defamation against him filed by actor Manoj Bajpayee from Indore to Mumbai, said that it saw no reason to accept such a request. The case against Khan was filed over his tweets against Bajpayee in 2021, calling him Charsi and Ganjeri, meaning a drug addict. The Indore court had issued a warrant of arrest against Khan last month, after which Khan moved the Supreme Court seeking transfer of the case. A bench of Justices A.S. Bopanna and Hema Kohli of the Supreme Court granted bail to Hardik Patel in relation to a case of rioting and violence registered against the BJP leader during the Patidar agitation in Gujarat in 2015. The Apex Court in February 2020 granted interim relief by way of anticipatory bail to Patel, who was then leader of the Indian National Congress, and now the relief has been made absolute. The Supreme Court, while quashing the case of forgery and cheating against former Chief Minister of Punjab Prakash Singh Badal and his son and the current president of the Shiromani Akali Dal, Sukhbir Singh Badal, said that none of the ingredients of the offence are made out against them. The bench of Justices M.R. Shah and C.T. Ravi Kumar set aside the order of the Punjab and Haryana Court that rejected the plea to quash the proceedings against the two accused in August 2021. One of the accused, Prakash Singh Badal, the patron of SAD, has passed away on April 25, 2023. The Supreme Court bench of Justices K.M. Joseph, B.V. Nagratna and A. Amanullah allowed Ansal Brothers, the convicts in the Uphaar fire tragedy case of 1997, to move an application in the trial court for the desealing of the cinema hall. The two brothers, Gopal and Sushil Ansal, were convicted by the Apex Court in 2015 for being guilty of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, after the CBI filed the charge sheet against them after due investigation. The fire that broke out in the Uphaar Cinema claimed 59 lives and injured number of people. The Special Committee of the Bar Council of Delhi presented the final draft of the Delhi Advocates Protection Bill of 2023. The object of the bill, as mentioned in the press release of the PCD, is to provide adequate safety, security, and to safeguard advocates from incidents of assaults, killings, intimidation, and threats, which has been frequently happening in the past. The bill provides with definitions of violence and provides with provisions of imprisonment and compensation to advocates in such cases, and also police protection. The demand for the said bill was raised after the murder of advocate Virender Narwal, who was shot dead by two assailants on April 1st. The High Court of Delhi, while quashing the summoning orders against Raj Thackeray in 7 cases filed against him for making allegedly provocative speech, said that religious feelings and religious sentiments cannot be so fragile as to be hurt or provoked by speech of an individual. The court further said that religion and faith have survived for centuries and will survive for many more. They are more resilient and cannot be hurt or provoked by views of or instigation by an individual. Actor Sooraj Pancholi, who was accused of abetment of suicide of Jiah, his alleged girlfriend and an actor by profession, was acquitted by the special CBI court in Mumbai today. Jiah was found dead in June 2013 and the trial of the case began in 2019. And Pancholi was charged under Section 306 of the Indian Penal Code for abetment of suicide. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.